Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin repairing the motherboard of a Lenovo ThinkPad, you'll need a few essential tools. First, gather a precision screwdriver set, particularly one with Phillips and Torx bits. You'll also need an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity, some thermal paste for reassembly, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Finally, a good quality multimeter will help you diagnose the motherboard effectively. Start by powering down the laptop and removing it from any power source. Next, use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as different sizes may be used throughout the device. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it. This is an important step to ensure safety while working on the motherboard. After disconnecting the battery, you will see the motherboard secured with several screws. Carefully remove these screws, noting their locations and sizes. Next, you should clean the internal components with isopropyl alcohol. Use a lint-free cloth or a soft brush to gently remove dust and debris. Pay special attention to the fans and heat sinks, as these can accumulate significant dust over time, affecting performance. If you encounter corrosion or damage, it may require further professional diagnosis without obligation to assess the extent of the damage. With the motherboard exposed, inspect it for any visible damage such as burnt components or cracked solder joints. Use your multimeter to test for continuity on various traces. If you find any issues, you can use a soldering iron to repair them. If you're unsure about soldering or need assistance, consider our service where we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Once repairs are made, it's time to reapply thermal paste to the CPU and GPU if it was removed. Apply a small pea-sized amount in the center of each chip and spread it evenly with a plastic spatula or a credit card. This will help with heat dissipation when the laptop is powered back on. After reassembling the motherboard, reconnect the battery and secure all screws tightly. Replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Before powering the laptop on, double-check that all connections are secure and no tools are left inside the device. Finally, power on the laptop and monitor its functionality. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired the motherboard of your Lenovo ThinkPad. If you run into any issues, remember that we are here to help with professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the support you need without any hassle. If you prefer not to travel or make calls, our service includes convenient pickup and delivery at your home for any further repairs needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.